Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with the Android phone in a few ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch. So basically, if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, and the other way is to do it through the settings on the watch once it's already been set up, because you can basically set it up without connecting it to a phone, or you can you decide to connect it to a different device and you don't want to factory reset the watch, you just want to connect it to a different device, so you can unpair it and then you can pair it with different device through the settings. Okay, so first we need to turn on our watch. You can press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. Then you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. And after the watch turns on and it's been factory reset to the factory default settings, or it's brand new, you will see the list of languages on the screen. And you can scroll through this list, tap on the language you want to select. Then, as you can see, we're being asked if we want to pair our watch with a phone. We want to do that, so tap on the check mark. And now we need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on the phone you want to pair our watch with. So we can open the Play Store. Of course, you need to have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Open Play Store. Tap on search bar, and type in Garmin Connect. And then tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, Garmin Connect by Garmin. Tap on install button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, you will see this login page. And here you can create an account if you don't have one, or you can log in if you have an account already. I have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check the box, tap next, and enter the email address and password. Okay, and then we can tap on sign in. That's new, the security code. It wasn't there before, so now we need to enter the code from the email address. Okay. Let's enter the code, tap on next. And allow. You can deny it if you want to. And here, this one is required, so tap on allow access, allow. And the app should automatically detect your watch as long as it's in the pairing mode, this QR code on the screen. Once it detects your watch, tap on connected, link device, or you can skip it if you want to, but basically if you want to use your watch with all of the features, you will need to link it and you will need to allow some permissions. Tap on pair. On the watch, as you can see, we can set up a passcode. Basically, it will lock your device and you will need to enter the passcode to unlock it. I'm gonna skip it for now, but you can set it up if you want to. And in the app, we can go through the setup, so we can go next. Here we can transfer the settings from different devices. For example, we can select the device that was previously connected to your account and copy the settings from there. I'm gonna tap on use default settings, but if you want to copy the data, you can simply select it and then tap on transfer settings. Here we can set up a sleeping schedule. This is useful if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. So if you're wearing your watch and you're sleeping, it will basically mute all of the notifications and stuff like that to prevent you from waking up from the disturbance or something like that. And you can tap on edit and set it up right here. You can change the bedtime, wake time, and select the days of the week on which the schedule should be active. Then you can tap on save, next, select the preferred wrist, next. You can edit the goals like steps, water intake and stuff like that by tapping on edit goals, and here you can change the values. I'm just gonna tap on keep default. Here we can allow the location permission, which is required for features like local weather, tracking your route on the map and stuff like that. You can skip this if you want to, but if you want to use those features, you will need to allow the location access. And to do that, you need to tap on permissions, find the location, and then allow all the time. You could try allow only while using the app, but the app will pester you about the all the time, which is very annoying, but unfortunately that's how it is. And then we can tap on sync now, and we can go back to our watch once we tap on finish and skip the tutorial. You can go through it, I'm gonna skip it. Okay. Oh, we can also add a Wi-Fi network to our watch, which is useful if you want to download the apps, install updates and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can set up Wi-Fi later, but if you want to add the network, tap on add network. It will start searching for nearby networks. Select the network you want to use, and then enter the password if it's password protected, of course. And tap on next, and we'll start connecting. And apparently I entered the password incorrectly, which is very interesting. Let's try something else. Okay. Okay, this time it worked. Next, finish. And you should see the homepage of the app. Let's go to our watch. Here you can adjust the text size, tap on check mark. And if you want to, you can also change the activities, so favorite activities basically. And if you don't care, you can skip it, or if you tap on the check mark, it will open this page, and here you can check and uncheck the activities you like. And then you can scroll all the way down, tap on done. And after that, you should see the watch face. And if you go to your app, tap on more and Garmin devices, you will see your watch right here on the list of devices. It will say connected. And if you open the settings for it, it will also say connected, and you have settings page for your watch. So that's how you pair it through the setup process. Now I'm gonna quickly remove it. Okay, and let's pair it through the settings. So let's say you have the watch already set up and you want to pair it with different device or new device. You need to open the settings by pressing the upper button, then scroll down and find the settings, of course, and tap on it. And then you need to find the connectivity and tap on it, and then tap on phone and pair phone. The watch will enter the pairing mode. Then you need to download and install the app, or if you have it already installed, just open the app, then tap on this plus right here in the top right corner, or more, Garmin devices, and add device. It will start searching. If your watch is in pairing mode, it will detect it, and basically we just do the same steps as we did before. Okay, we have a home page. Our watch is working, of course. It doesn't need to be connected to a phone to work. And then tap on more, Garmin devices. It should be here and say connected. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.